Welcome to Calamba City in Laguna and welcome to Anthro on Foot's walking tour. This is a self-paced walking tour that features key heritage sites and cultural highlights in the area. We hope you enjoy this tour as much as we enjoyed curating it. Calamba is a city with a rich history deeply intertwined with the Philippines' pre-colonial and colonial past and the country's national hero, Dr. Jose Rizal. The oldest section of Calamba is believed to be Barangay Sukol, where the initial settlers established themselves. It was originally inhabited by the Tagalog people engaging in agriculture, fishing, and trade. Laguna's fertile lands made it conducive to agriculture. The pre-colonial communities cultivated crops such as rice, sugarcane, cotton, and various fruits. The Laguna de Bay, the largest lake in the Philippines, facilitated trade and transportation, connecting the communities to neighboring regions. Pre-colonial societies in Laguna had a hierarchical social structure led by local rulers. These leaders governed their respective communities and played a crucial role in maintaining order, resolving disputes, and organizing communal activities. The Tagalogs from Laguna had a rich tapestry of cultural practices and beliefs. These included animistic rituals, oral storytelling, traditional music and dance, and craftsmanship. The communities revered natural elements, spirits, and deities. The arrival of Spanish colonizers in the 16th century, led by Miguel Lopez de Legazpi, marked a significant turning point in Laguna's history. The Spaniards established settlements, introduced Christianity, and implemented changes in governance that would shape the region's trajectory under colonial rule. Calamba's history as a Spanish colonial town dates back to the late 18th century. In the initial years, Calamba was merely a part of Tabuco, now recognized as Cabuyao. On August 28, 1742, Calamba gained status as a pueblo, detaching itself from Cabuyao. According to local lore, the name Calamba is derived from the phrase Kalanbanga. Legend has it that a Guardia Civil stopped a young woman carrying an earthen jar and asked for the name of the place. Misunderstanding the question, she thought he was inquiring about the contents of the jar, responding with Kalanbanga. Eventually, this evolved into the name Calamba. With the arrival of the Spaniards, the entire area underwent conversion into a hacienda, initially forming part of Tabuco, now recognized as Cabuyao City. Calamba achieved autonomy as a pueblo on August 28, 1742, and evolved into the town of Calamba in 1770. In 1813, the Dominican brothers handed Calamba over to encargados, who, during the American regime, subdivided and sold the haciendas to the local residents. The Spanish introduced the hacienda system, and vast areas of agricultural land in Calamba were controlled by Spanish friars and landowners. This system had a significant impact on the socio-economic structure of the town. Calamba gained historical prominence as the birthplace of Jose Rizal, the national hero of the Philippines. Rizal was born on June 19, 1861, in a house now known as the Rizal Shrine, which is preserved as a museum. Calamba, like many other places in the Philippines, experienced the hardships of Japanese occupation during World War II. The town was a witness to various historical events and struggles during this period. During the Japanese occupation in World War II, the city became the scene of a massacre, witnessing the Imperial Japanese armies killing of at least 2,000 civilians. The St. John the Baptist Church, established in 1859, suffered destruction at the hands of the Japanese during World War II. The church underwent reconstruction under the guidance of Father Eliseo de Maculangan. This church holds historical significance as the christening site of Jose Rizal, with the original baptismal font carefully preserved and restored. Calamba continued to grow and develop after the Philippines gained independence from colonial rule. On August 28, 2001, Calamba officially became a component city by virtue of Republic Act 9024. Calamba has undergone significant economic development, particularly with the growth of industrial zones. It has become a center for manufacturing and commerce. Despite these developments, the preservation of historical sites, including the Rizal Shrine and other heritage structures, contributes to the cultural identity of Calamba.